Tried Fiza Ali Viral Botox Face Mask. Honest review. Ingredients. Yogurt 2 tablespoon. 1 egg yolk. Rice flour 1 tablespoon. Half lemon squeeze. Let's try Fiza Ali Viral Botox Face Mask. 2 tablespoon yogurt. 1 tablespoon rice flour. 1 egg yolk. Half lemon squeeze. Mix all the ingredients well. Dry the mask to 80%. For best results, when the mask is 80% dry, apply the mask one more time. Wash off the mask thoroughly after drying, and use any moisturizer. Apply moisturizer well and massage with light hands. This mask can be done for 3 times per week, which will get you Botox-like effects. Skin also gets glowy and the results come out in 15 minutes. Tightens the skin and helps to eliminate wrinkles. Brings glow to the face. It is very helpful in anti-aging. Can egg yolk remove wrinkle? Reasons why you need to use an egg face. The proteins in an egg-based face mask help to bind moisture to the skin, providing anti-aging benefits. The hydration offered by eggs plumps out the skin, makes lines and wrinkles less visible. Benefits of rice flour for skin. Exfoliates dead skin cells. Brightens the complexion. Controls excess oil. Soothes skin irritation. Improves skin texture. What are the benefits of natural yogurt for your face? Moisturizing, brightening, boosting elasticity, easing acne, helping skin infections, reducing inflammation, protecting against UV rays, reducing the signs of skin aging. Skincare benefits of lemon. Boosts collagen. Collagen is what is responsible for maintaining the elasticity of your skin. Reduces dark spots. One of the most common benefits of lemon includes its ability to reduce pigmentation and help in skin lightening. Skin brightening. Treatment for acne. Lightens elbows and knees.
Thank you for watching. For more videos, keep watching Beauty Tips by Amna. Bye bye.